At a Senate Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs Committee hearing on July 30th, Senator Alsobrooks asks Nasdaq President Tal Cohen about the future benefits and risks associated with AI.
How do you believe that AI will benefit NASDAQ and its everyday shareholders? And then ask you how you balance those benefits to NASDAQ and the stockholders with possible risks to the financial systems.
Thank you for your question, Senator. So when we think about AI, we think about them in two broad categories: in our products and then on our business. That's how we think about AI. And with respect to on our business, we're looking for productivity, efficiency gains. We're looking to upskill our employees and make sure that they have the greatest teammates they can with respect to AI. When we think about our products, and this is what we already have AI embedded in many of our products: surveillance products that prevent market abuse, our fraud products that prevent financial crime, and our regulatory reporting products that ensure that companies can report with confidence around their obligations. So we do quite a bit with AI on both sides of the house. In terms of the way that we look at it internally, we want to make sure that we have the following things in place to ensure that our shareholders and our customers are benefiting from it. We want to make sure we have great governance, which is a lubricant for innovation. If you have good governance and involvement from your chief risk officer all the way through your CEO, you have policies in place, you are training your employees, and you're following and leveraging rules and policies that others will. So there's a greater, if you will, alignment and harmony between the way that we look at NIST and apply NIST across the financial system. That's really, really important. And then to your other question in terms of the way that we look to employ it in our markets, and I give you a little bit of a feel, I'll give you one example. We have deployed order types into our markets that are AI enabled and were approved by the SEC. The reason we did that was in part to democratize access to certain types of functionality that would improve investor performance that only firms that had the ability to spend on the R&D could do previously. So by democratizing it, smaller broker-dealers, retail broker-dealers were able to use this order type to benefit their investors in a way they probably would not have been able to because it couldn't have afforded the R&D that we put into it as NASDAQ. And so we put it out as a marketplace. The SEC approved it. It was the first of its kind, and we have aspirations to do more of that. So that's a great example of us democratizing access and improving performance for the broader market.
For more clips like this, stay tuned to Congress Clips, and thanks for watching.